All right, before we get started on this challenge video, I just want to remind you guys, never, and I repeat, never do anything you are about to see, or pretty much anything that we ever do on this channel ever anyways, right? Mm-hmm. Except for the skateboarding tutorials, you guys can do those. We are very excited to present to you today challenge number 2. Okay, so challenge number 1, we gave him a skateboard and we said, you have 30 minutes to break this skateboard. Look at his face. He has no idea what the challenge is. He has no idea what he's doing. Okay, you ready to find out what the challenge is?
Sure.
Okay, first I want to know what you think it is. Like, tell me everything.
I feel like it's not a skateboard. I feel like I'm gonna run into a wall.
It might. What if we just run him into a wall? Actually, that's the challenge. We'll see. We'll see about that.
3, 2, 1, reveal.
Wait, what? What is happening?
Okay, so here's the deal. We gave you an arsenal, if you will, and here's the challenge. 30 minutes to get everything down off of the roof. You have this and anything else in the Braille house you want to use, anything. So first I want you to take a look at these items, check it out. Stop planning, you're already cheating. These items.
I don't know, I'm gonna get the tennis racket out.
I
have to just use these?
Anything you want, anything you want.
Okay, take everything down.
But you do have to.
It's painful for me.
Why?
I got it all up there.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. This shoots 245 feet per second, so please don't shoot anybody, please.
Okay. How do I put this in, yo?
My God, that's deadly. I just wanted to do one test. We're gonna shoot that board.
I'll take it off once I shoot.
Oh my gosh, that's scary. Look at the tip.
I feel like Daryl Dixon hunting zombies. I'm hunting zombies.
What in the world? What?
No way, dude.
Bullseye.
What? Why did you shoot the truck?
Is that what you're meaning to hit?
Yeah, yo.
Why?
Because they're line X. I wanted to break it. You guys didn't break the line X.
It went straight into the bolt. Look at that. See, I was like, take the scope off. It makes it too easy. Okay. Well, what do you think about this challenge? I want to know everything.
I mean, sad.
All right, Fetty, you ready?
Yep.
So everything off the roof. You know the rules. There are no rules.
So everything?
Everything off the roof, yeah.
Including the Ouija board.
Please. All right, Fetty. 30 minutes to get everything off the roof, and if you do it, you win $10,000. Start.
You're going.
You're going. Oh no! Why is he going straight for the arrow every time? What are you going for first, Fetty?
That horse?
Oh no! Oh no! Look at Carlos. I'm pretty sure if he hits that box underneath it, the whole Braille house will explode. I'm not even kidding. It's like an electrical power box. The slingshot, dude. Oh no! Did it stick? It's stuck!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Where is it?
Fetty, you have to get that down too.
No.
That's part of the challenge. Everything off. Look, he's serious. How did you miss that though? Oh no! Oh no! No! Bad Fetty. Oh! Oh! What? He's just gonna throw the balls up? No! Oh no, Gabe. Remember, he was most worried about the tennis racket. Oh! Oh no! You have to get the ball. He's using his shoe? Wow. Out of all the available obstacles, he's using his shoe. 26 minutes. Okay, okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woo! 26 minutes and 20 seconds to go. He's grabbing the broom. On this side, there's a lot of bottles. What's his strategy here? Oh no, that is really up there.
I don't know how I'm gonna get that.
Well, I'm not gonna say. I know how to get that. I feel like I can do this challenge, by the way. So you can use anything. Oh no! What is this? What a cheater! Oh no, Fetty! Oh!
Oh no.
He's making extremely good time. Gabe, I told you. 24 minutes and 37 seconds.
Oh no!
Oh! He even caught it! That's like bonus points. Oh, wow.
No.
Man down. Man down. Why isn't he using the airsoft gun? They just take that down. I'm just basically just give him the money at this point. Look at him, look at him.
Everyone heads up!
Watch your eyes. Oh no, the assault rifle. It's locking up. What's happening? Oh no! The clip dropped out. Well, I guess all you got left is the tennis balls. Oh, he got it. Oh, he got it. What is he doing? Oh no! That was one I thought would be really hard. Oh, no! Look at his face. He's gonna win. I don't know. He's gonna win. Unless he spends the next 25 minutes trying to get that down. 21 minutes and 17 seconds. Great Scott! We didn't even know that was up there. Oh no! Fetty,
What is that?
he's so determined. Oh no! First try!
Oh,
He's an animal! Oh yeah, there's some little items up there. This could be hard. This could be difficult.
Barely missed it.
There's like a red block and a green block. And you have exactly 20 minutes left. 1/3 of the time is gone and more than half of the items are down. Except for that arrow that he stuck into the roof. The ski should be very easy.
Maybe not.
Oh! Dang, that was loud. After this, he just has the Ouija board.
Not doing the Ouija board.
Carla. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, the Ouija board moved. It speaks. What do you think, Fetty?
I'm tired.
You're tired? That's the other thing, he's wearing out. 18 minutes, 22 seconds. The book is the impossible task. 17 minutes, 25 seconds. Oh, wow. What am I doing standing under there? Yes, Ouija. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh no! Oh no. I've never seen him so like intent on something. He hasn't even spoken a word the whole time. 15 minutes. Okay, half the time. Well, 15 minutes, 48 seconds. Which one are you shooting? Moana! Moana has an arrow in her head.
This video was going well until Moana took an arrow to the knee.
Yeah! Okay, that was scary. No! No, Fetty! No! That was $10,000 worth of damage right there. 14 minutes, 35 seconds. Oh no, Fetty!
Oh, that was a nice sound.
I don't think that's coming down. I'm pretty sure Moana's up there by her hair. So I think just the right hit, and I think that hair will come undone.
Oh no.
$10,000 on the line, Fetty.
$10,000, you got 13 minutes. Oh, what?
Something light.
Something light, okay.
Light and dense.
I want to give him all my ideas, but then at the same time, you know, like he's a warrior and he has to figure out his own. Ah! Oh no! What? That's not gonna work. Where is he going? There you go. Yeah, actually, might be onto something there. Fetty plays a mean game of handball. She is up there by her hair. Am I wrong? 11 minutes and 41 seconds. I was really nervous when he knocked everything off, like basically first try. Oh no, the boot. Oh! You got the wheels down.
Yesterday.
10 minutes, 11 seconds. That'll cost you $1,000. Fetty, you got 9 minutes, 41 seconds. I'm telling you, you need to put a rope on the arrow, shoot it, and then pull the rope and yank everything down. That's what I'm talking about. It just takes the tip and splits it straight into the thing. That scope is really good though, right? He's onto something with that crossbow, I'm telling you. Oh! Moana! Ah! Where did that go? 7 minutes, 18 seconds. That scared the living out of me. Oh, no. Look, if he would have put rope on that arrow, he could yank it down right now. It literally went straight through the book, and there's a hole in the book. Oh, no! It literally went straight through its butt into the roof. 5 minutes, 38 seconds. Ah! Oh! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Wow. Watch it, Gabe. Watch it. Oh no! She's coming down! She's coming down, Fetty! Oh no! He's just putting holes in the wall at this point.
Getting worse and worse.
He's just mad at us. Fetty, we're sorry! Use the slingshot! Use the slingshot! Come on! Oh! Oh! Fetty! Montana, they call me Dead-Eye Cairo. Dang it. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4.
No way.
3. 2. When did that get up there? Oh no, the bat. Oh. 1. Oh! Okay. No more holes in the wall. No more holes. Timer's out. No, Fetty.
No, it's on fire now.
The safety's on. No.
3, 2, 1. No! Holy fork! Oh my god! Dude! It's terrifying. He dead.
You did. Wow. You done dead. You did it.
Tin Tibor.
Wait, what happened? Oh, yes.
All right, Fetty, tell me everything.
Moana is apparently my ultimate achievement besides the book.
But that was really hard to get up there, right?
Yes.
I thought you had it, like, guaranteed, because you had more than half the items off with 20 minutes to go.
Well, I saved all the hard ones for last.
You were super, super, super close. We'll give you a special consolation prize. It'll be exciting. You'll love it. Check out all the other videos right there. You guys will have an absolute blast watching those. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and leave it in the comments below. What do you think the next $10,000 challenge should be? I gotta give a shout out to Mr. Beast because he does incredible videos similar to this, and this is where we got the idea, so we gotta give him the props. Props!